Hey there, heart health enthusiasts! Ever wondered if essential oils could actually be doing wonders for your ticker? Today we're diving into the exciting world of aromatherapy and exploring whether it can truly boost your heart health. We're a new channel, so we hope you don't mind the watermarks. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is aromatherapy? It's the practice of using essential oils extracted from plants to promote well-being. These tiny bottles of liquid gold contain powerful compounds that can work wonders on your mind and body. Now, how does this relate to your heart? Well, it all starts with your brain. Scents travel through your nose, straight to the limbic system, the emotional control center. This little powerhouse influences your mood, hormones, and even your heart rate. We all know that stress is a major culprit when it comes to heart problems. Those pesky stress hormones can wreak havoc on your blood pressure and overall heart health. But here's where aromatherapy comes in to save the day. Certain essential oils like lavender, jasmine, ylang-ylang, neroli, and chamomile have been shown to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. Studies have found that inhaling these soothing scents can lower blood pressure and even improve sleep quality. Let's talk about blood pressure. It's a silent killer, and keeping it in check is crucial for a healthy heart. While there's still more research needed, some studies suggest that aromatherapy might help lower blood pressure. One study, published in Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice, looked at the effects of aromatherapy massage on elderly hypertensive patients. The results showed a significant decrease in blood pressure after the massage sessions. So while more research is needed, it's definitely an interesting finding. Sleep is another vital component of heart health. A good night's rest helps your body repair and recharge. And guess what? Aromatherapy can help you catch those sweet zizzes. Essential oils like lavender, bergamot, clary sage, and bitter orange are known for their calming properties, promoting relaxation and better sleep. Now, before you rush to your local health store and stock up on essential oils, let's talk safety. Inhalation is the safest and most effective way to use essential oils. Ingestion is not generally recommended. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. While aromatherapy shows remarkable promise, it's not a magic cure-all. It's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management. Aromatherapy can be a wonderful complement to your overall heart health routine. So, can aromatherapy improve your heart health? The answer is a resounding yes. Give it a try, listen to your body, and always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Remember, a healthy heart is a happy heart. Take care of yourself and enjoy the journey to better heart health. Make the background music energetic. Use YouTube audio library only. Add clean subtitles with an outline.